Now that I have your attention, let's begin. Hello guys, Valor Reviews here. The Tecno Pova is a rebrand of the popular Tecno Pova smartphone with a significant boost in performance. How significant? Well, it comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 6GB of RAM and a 6000 mAh battery. That's significant if you compare it with the discontinued Pova. Now, when it comes to battery life, there isn't any smartphone in the market that can beat the Tecno Pova, except of course for the Samsung M51 with a 7000 mAh battery, but that smartphone cost 180,000 Naira while the Tecno Pova costs 77,000 Naira. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing. I'll also be doing a battery charge, battery drain, durability test, water test, and I'll be sharing with you how 20 people can win 1 million Naira each this December, so stay tuned for that. Now, opening the box, the first thing you will see is the all-new Tecno Pova smartphone. The color I have here is called the Speed Purple, and I must say it looks very good. It comes with a warranty card, a Google Assistant leaflet, because the Tecno Pova comes with a dedicated Google Assistant button that is sadly not remarkable. It also comes with a glass screen protector. There's a TPU case in the box and it's a perfect fit for this smartphone. It comes with an earpiece, an 18 watts fast charger, a micro USB cable.
Follow, are you sure?
Yes, it's a micro USB cable.
Oh,
I know. Now, Tecno says the Pova has giant power. And to test out just how giant the power is, I like to call on our tamed smartphone destroyer to test out this phone. Some say he taught Fashola how to be an investigator, and his heart is powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 1000 processor. All we know, he is called the V. Now V is going to try to destroy this smartphone. Dropping it from his height, the Tecno Pova is still functioning. It seems like the Tecno Pova is a durable smartphone, but V is doing his best to crack the smartphone. So far, it hasn't been successful. Man, that drop test was intense. And now it's time for the Tecno Pova to cool off in water for 2 minutes. Now, it's important to note that the Tecno Pova isn't water resistant. It doesn't have an IP rating. So this test is just to show you that if you mistakenly drop your phone inside water, the phone should be fine, hopefully. So let's just wait and see if it will survive being in water for 2 minutes. Man, life of a YouTuber is hard. Let me just relax. I'll see if it survives 2 minutes. Hope it does. If not, that's the end of this review. So 1 minute gone and it's still working. So it's 2 minutes and okay, so the 2 minutes over. Let's see if the phone survives the water test. So the display is still working, as you can see, it's still working. So okay, the Tecno Pova survives the water test. Now it's important to note that the Tecno Pova isn't a water resistant smartphone and it doesn't have an IP rating. So if you drop your phone in water for a few seconds, as you can see, it should survive it. Now if you're enjoying this video, please take time out to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Now let's proceed to the battery drain test. I played a movie and put it on loop. Brightness and volume were at 100%, and after 13 hours and 9 minutes, the battery level dropped to 28%. Now let that sink in. 13 hours and 9 minutes and the display did not go off for once. It's on the highest brightness and highest volume. Now at this point, I was sick and tired of watching the same movie over and over and over again, so I decided to play a game called Shadow Arena for 1 hour. The battery level dropped from 28% to 12%. After that, I switched to YouTube and played my old videos. Man, I really suck when I started YouTube. Please don't watch my old videos. After 1 hour of playing YouTube, the battery level dropped to 4%. 48 minutes later, the Tecno Pova threw in the towel. It did a total of 16 hours screen on time with the screen on the entire time. Brightness and audio were the maximum. That's impressive. Now for the charging test, the Tecno Pova has a 6000 mAh battery and it comes with an 18 watts dual IC charger. I was expecting the charging time to be fast because of the dual IC charger, but it took 2 hours and 11 minutes to charge this smartphone from 0 to 100%. The Tecno Pova might be the battery king, but when it comes to charging time, it isn't as fast as the Tecno Camon 16 Premier. Now, not to sound like MKBHD, but I've had the Tecno Pova for about a week now, and the areas it excels in is in the battery department, multitasking, and in gaming. No matter what you do, you can't kill this smartphone within a day. You can easily get 2 to 3 days on a full charge with this smartphone. The processor on this smartphone is fast. It comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 6GB of RAM. Gaming, multitasking on this smartphone is really good. There's a few things that bothers me which I'll be sharing in my full review, so subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on that video. The review should be out in 2 days from now. Now guys, I have good news. Tecno will be giving out 20 million naira to 20 lucky people, and apart from that they'll be giving out other prizes, but we all want the money, right? To qualify, all you have to do is buy the Tecno Spark, Camon or Pova series smartphones. Winners will be decided through a raffle draw, and the raffle draw will be aired on Tecno's Facebook page and on TV. And if you want more information, check out and follow Tecno Mobile on the social media handles. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you like content like this, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. Valo, signing out.